Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn, Think and Write. Today we'll be seeing the errors in the C program. So for that, let us compile the program first. So here you have got here C, 3 errors. So what all the errors are, we'll see. Let us debug the program. Now here the double quotes is missing here. Okay, whatever strings you are writing in the C program, you need to have double quotes. So here we'll add the double quotes. Sorry. Double quotes added. Next, whatever statements you write in C, they are needed to be terminated with the semicolon. So wherever the semicolon is not there, it will show the error. Now we'll compile the program again. So you can see we don't have any errors over there. So the program is ready to run now. We'll run the program and see the output. So this was all about the errors we get in the program. Hope to see you in the next video, and if you like the channel, the programs, please subscribe to the channel.